Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down SalesPulse, an AI-powered sales training platform.
So let's dive right in with a question every sales leader should be asking themselves.
You know, most sales training is a one-and-done event. It just doesn't create lasting habits.
And what happens? Inconsistent performance and, yep, missed quotas. But what if there's a better way?
That's where SalesPulse comes in. It's all about quick, AI-powered roleplay sessions every single day.
Their whole motto is daily reps, real results. Makes sense, right? Small efforts add up.
So how does it actually work? Well, a huge plus is just how simple it is. It boils down to this simple 4-step loop. This is what turns practice into a real habit.
Okay, let's get into the features, starting with the voice-based roleplay. This is cool.
So your reps are having real conversations with an AI that acts just like a prospect.
And right after each session, you get instant AI feedback. This part is a game changer.
The AI breaks down things like your clarity, confidence, even your talk-to-listen ratio.
And this isn't just about a single practice session. It's built for powerful habit formation.
It uses things like daily streaks and reminders to keep reps motivated and right on track.
And here's the dual benefit. It's a win-win. Reps get better and managers get analytics.
Okay, but what can you actually practice? Well, it all starts with their scenario library.
We're talking more than 15 real-world scenarios, all tailored for B2B SaaS sales.
So you're practicing everything from cold calls to discovery to handling tough objections?
And all this practice data, it rolls right up into performance tracking for managers.
You can literally see skill improvement over time with charts like this. It's super clear.
So what's the big takeaway? AI-powered daily practice really does build habits that close deals.
The only question left is your team actually ready for their daily reps?